Okay, so we got earnings out the way for DraftKings. Will the market do a massive rally or could this be a fake out? You guys can see right now prices traded within the seller's pocket. Will that hinder how high price is going to go in DraftKings? I wanted to talk to you all today about it. Okay, so let's go ahead and break this down real quick. Now, the daily chart does look bullish. You guys can see that the market here in DraftKings did hold our buyer's pocket right there around $36. Market ran up. Earnings was released. Doesn't look too good, but it wasn't really impacted. We came down maybe 3 or 4 days after the earnings came through, and now the market went right back up and is being hung right there in the seller's pocket. So we got to talk about it. Does the market look bullish in DraftKings or does it look bearish? This is on a 2-day chart. You guys can see that we received this buy signal right there on the 2-day chart. What happened to the price? Yeah, you can see it for yourself. The market went up and it went right to this pocket of selling. Now, I'm here to tell you, our software that we have here on this chart is not stronger than the pockets. The pockets are stronger because it's a massive amount of either buy orders or sell orders or people in these prices that's willing to sell once the market hits those points. That's why pockets are stronger than signals. Okay, so yeah, market is bullish. Ran up to the pocket. Now we don't see a signal anymore. But we saw a very good run on this 2-day price bar in DraftKings, and we got another one on this 2-day price bar that just got completed. Now, the question I want to ask you is, well, these are 2 days. Every price bar represents 2 days of trading. Why is this one so small? Why is that spread so minuscule comparative to the last 3 or 4 2-day price bars? Why? What would cause that? The only thing that can cause spreads in price bars are the amount of orders being traded at the prices within the spread. That's it. So apparently, either there's a lot of people willing to sell DraftKings in his pocket, or there's a lot of people willing to buy that they're restricting the price from going lower. So let's see on the 330-minute chart what you guys think it is. What do you think? Is the market buyers holding this zone or this pocket? What does it look like? Or do you think the sellers are here hitting this pocket? So you can see right here on the 30-minute chart. Yeah, the sellers is hitting it. Sellers hit it right there. The buyer said, well, hold on now. I'm not willing to let price go that low. So they bought here. Okay. And then the buyers in DraftKings, the sellers came through and said, yeah, you thought it was going to go far, right? And now they're pushing the price right back down. So it's a war going on in this pocket. Like, it's a war going on. Some people think the market is a buy. Others think that it's a sell. So let's look at this on the 3. Does that look bullish to you? Because to me, it does. This 3-day price bar after this weakness 3-day price bar is telling me, yeah, this market still wants to go up in DraftKings. Still wants to do it. What about on the 4? Even on the 4, like the market over the last 4 days came all the way down from selling pressure to a low of $38.94, right? But look at where we concluded on the 4-day bar. All the way up here at the top at a high of $43.30. That would not happen if people aren't bullish. If people aren't thinking that DraftKings is still going to go up, that won't happen. So apparently, I'm in favor of the buyers. I think the market in DraftKings still wants to go up. I do. Just looking off the information, off the evidence that is being constructed or displayed off of this chart right here. Okay. Now, here's DraftKings on the month. Still looks pretty bullish here too. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. We're going to drop a prediction of DraftKings going up. Now we're going to create a buyer's pocket though. This area right here, we don't want to see the market in DraftKings break, because if we break this buyer's pocket, we might need to let go of this prediction and say, all right, cool, the sellers won. Give it up to the sellers. They had more pressure than the buyers, and they was able to push the price back down and break our buyer's pocket, right? We got to give it up to them. But currently, I want to be on the team of the buyers. I want to see the buyers come through, break this pocket right here, this first seller's pocket, $43.30 to $44.50. I want to see this buyers break that and make it run all the way up here to the next pocket, which is around $48. That would garner what, 10.25% move. Now I'm going to have a midpoint right here at the highs of these 2 days. That's going to be our midpoint target from May the 15th and the 16th. So let me pull it down. That will give us 5.88% as a midpoint target. And then it gets around 10%, around $48 as the ultimate target. Okay. So that's it. We'll see what happens. Like, I won't be surprised if we don't go up. I won't be. Why? Because I've already explained to you the reason right here. So as time goes on and it looks as if the buyers are having issues trying to break this pocket and we begin to fall, they try again, begin to go lower, then you already know what's up. You don't have to be surprised. All right, so that's it right there for me. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.